This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump-up tickets in JYP Superstar. These special tickets are incredibly useful for instantly boosting your card's grade by 1 level. Imagine taking a B grade card straight to A grade or an A grade to S grade with just 1 tap. They are a fantastic way to quickly power up your favorite artists and improve your overall game performance, helping you achieve those top scores. So, how do you get your hands on these valuable jump-up tickets? They are often available through special in-game events, so always keep an eye on the Event tab. You might also find them in the game's shop as part of limited-time bundles or packages. Don't forget to complete your daily and weekly missions, as these can sometimes reward you with a ticket or two, helping you build your collection. Using a jump-up ticket is straightforward. First, navigate to your card inventory and choose the specific artist card you want to upgrade. Once you've selected the card, you'll see an option to upgrade or power up. Tap this button, and if you have a jump-up ticket available, the game will prompt you to use it. Confirm your choice and watch your card instantly jump to the next grade level. To get the most out of your jump-up tickets, consider these strategies. It's often best to use them on your main group's top 5 cards, especially those you use most frequently. Saving them for R-grade cards can provide a significant score boost, as upgrading from R to R1, R2, and so on can be quite resource-intensive. Also, use them to complete album themes for valuable set bonuses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.